Well done. You've now reached the end of the course. So it's time to think about what might you do next. A good place to start might be think about working with other people or taking another class. There are a number of part-time short courses at Central. For more information, go to www.cssd.ac.uk. At Central, we offer open access, online and face-to-face courses throughout the year and during the summer in acting, acting for camera, playwriting, screenwriting, Shakespeare, acting with text, audition techniques, voice, movement, and many, many more. We also offer 3 part-time diplomas in acting that can further your interests, aims, and objectives. You might be ready to consider one of our full-time degrees, MAs or MFAs. Also, you can have a look at our other MOOC, Finding Your Professional Voice, Confidence and Impact. It's also really important to engage with live performance and go to the theatre as much as possible. So we all have films and TV, but try and see as much live performance as you can. Support your local theatres, youth theatre, amateur groups, and get involved. Build those contacts, build these communities. Whatever you decide to do in the future, continue to find the fun in your acting and your journey of discovery.